Let's start with Plaid. Plaid has become almost synonymous with bank connectivity in the fintech world. It is used by major apps like Venmo, Coinbase, and Robinhood to connect users' bank accounts safely in seconds. The magic of Plaid is its developer-first design. It offers clean, modern APIs, easy documentation, and SDKs that make it simple to build integrations quickly. With Plaid, your app can let users link accounts, verify ownership, and pull financial data in real time, all while keeping security tight. Plaid supports thousands of banks and credit unions across the United States and Canada, with growing coverage internationally. It offers several core products, including auth for account verification, transactions for pulling spending data, and liabilities for loans and credit cards. Plaid also introduced Signal for payment risk detection, giving fintechs tools to reduce fraud when processing instant payments. Another big advantage of Plaid is its user experience. When someone connects their account, the Plaid Link interface handles everything inside a secure window. It looks polished, it feels fast, and it gives users confidence. From a developer standpoint, Plaid's sandbox and test modes make integration fast and low friction, which is why it is often the first choice for startups building fintech apps from scratch. Now let's talk about Yodlee. Yodlee has been in the game much longer. It was one of the original players in financial data aggregation, powering many traditional institutions before fintech was even a term. Because of that, Yodlee has incredibly deep data coverage, tens of thousands of financial institutions worldwide, and decades of experience in financial data compliance. It is trusted by major banks and established fintechs for enterprise-level reliability. Where Yodlee stands out is in its analytics and data enrichment. It does more than just connect accounts. It categorizes, cleans, and enhances transaction data, giving businesses deeper insight into user behavior. If your product needs spending trends, predictive analytics, or financial wellness tools, Yodlee's enriched data can be a huge advantage. It is particularly strong for companies that need more than raw data feeds and want advanced financial intelligence built into their product. Yodlee also offers flexible deployment models. You can use its cloud APIs, or, for larger institutions, set up private environments to meet strict compliance standards. That makes it appealing for enterprise fintechs, banks, and wealth management platforms that prioritize data governance and global scalability. Plaid is built for agility. Yodlee is built for scale. Both connect the financial world, but they serve different layers of the ecosystem. Whether you are building a budgeting app, an investment platform, or a lending system, choosing the right API early will shape how fast and how far your fintech can grow.